Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur part of the image in Adobe Express. Now I have this image right here, and say for example we want to blur something. Well, the first thing that we are going to do is duplicate this one. So I'm going to go ahead and right click and click the duplicate button right here, and then you have to ensure that it is exactly in the same position as the first image. And from here we can go over and click the second image, or the one on the top. All right, you have to make sure that you're choosing the first one, and then click the adjust button right here, and we're gonna go ahead and click, or basically increase the blur here. Now say for example we want to blur about, let's say, 40%. All right, just like so. Now from this point forward, the next thing that we are going to do is crop, and we just crop up to the part that we want to blur. So say for example, I just want to crop like at the top part, and this is just, or maybe in the middle. This is just a sample in a way. All right, so I could crop like this. Now take note that there are different ways to crop here. We have freeform, so yeah, it's up to you really. I'm gonna click done. All right, there you go. So now you can see that there is a blur here in the middle, right? And then if you want to increase that further, it's going to be more visible. So I'm going to increase it to about, let's say 60. There you go. So yeah, basically that's how you're going to blur image here in Adobe Express.